Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 Pickup Truck. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 Pickup Truck combines toughness and modern features, making it ideal for adventurers, professionals, and those who need reliable performance. It builds on the Land Cruiser's legacy of durability and versatility. Exterior, rugged and strong. Front design, bold grille with horizontal slats and LED headlights. Body, sturdy, boxy shape with reinforced panels and rugged wheel arches. Cargo bed, durable bed with tie-down points and optional liners. Lighting, full LED setup with adaptive fog lamps and dynamic turn signals. Wheels, choice of 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires. Colors, new shades like Desert Sand Metallic, Midnight Black, and Arctic White. Interior, practical and comfortable. Seating, leather seats with heating, cooling, and power adjustments for the front row. Storage, lots of in-cabin storage, including under-seat compartments. Infotainment, 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium JBL sound system. Comfort, dual-zone climate control with rear air vents. Performance, built for any terrain. Engines, 3.3L V6 twin-turbo diesel, 302 horsepower, 516 lb-ft torque. 3.5L V6 twin-turbo gas engine, 409 horsepower, 479 lb-ft torque. Hybrid option with over 450 horsepower and better fuel efficiency. Transmission, 10-speed automatic for smooth power delivery. Drivetrain, full-time 4WD with locking differentials and terrain modes. Towing and payload, tows up to 7,700 pounds. Carries over 2,000 pounds of cargo. Off-road features, suspension, adaptive variable suspension for better handling. Ground clearance, raised height with skid plates for protection. Traction, crawl control, and multi-terrain, select for grip on tough surfaces. Water crossing, handles water up to 31.5 inches deep. Safety and smart tech. Safety, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Lane departure alert with steering assist. 360-degree camera for easier parking. Smart features, remote start, vehicle tracking, and over-the-air updates via the Toyota app. Trims and pricing. Base trim, $55,000 for essential features. Adventure trim, $62,000 with off-road upgrades. Platinum trim, $72,000 with all luxury features. Why choose the LC300 pickup truck? Tough and reliable, built for heavy-duty tasks and adventures. Powerful options, turbocharged engines and hybrid choices. Modern features, advanced tech for safety and convenience. Toyota heritage, continuation of the trusted Land Cruiser legacy. Conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 pickup truck is a tough, versatile vehicle with modern tech and powerful performance. Whether for work, off-road adventures, or daily driving, it's designed to handle any challenge with ease. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.